So how to create a tabulation sheet using Excel. So example natin dito is pageant criteria for judging. So how to tabulate, no? So example, may binigay ako dito na ano na criteria, which is there are 8 candidates, and for the percentage naman, so nilagyan ko na score para hindi na matagalan pa, no? So kasi yung pinaka main na ano natin dito, yung purpose is the main purpose is yung total score and also the ranking, no? So paano siya i-rank using Excel, and paano i-total yung score, overall total, using different formulas. Example, for the total score, we need to put equal sign. I-sum lang natin. So we need to type sum. Then double click natin tong sum. Then highlight lang natin yung lahat ng score, no? So, starting with the evening gown, 30%, swimsuit, 25%, Q&A, 30%, overall impact, that is 15%. So we need to close parenthesis, put close parenthesis, then enter. So meaning yung score ni candidate A is 91. So ito, double click lang natin ito, no? So pag naka-dark na siya or umitim na yung cursor natin, double click na lang para automatic siya magdi-distribute or magtutotal. Okay, meaning naka-formula, distributed formula na siya. Okay, so that is the first. And the second is we need to rank based on this result, no? According to the points of each candidates. So we need to rank, which is the rank 1 until the rank 8. Okay, so let's put the formula. So we need to put the equal sign. Then after equal sign, we need to input rank. Then click lang natin tong rank. Ito, sa baba, ito. So ito, i-click natin, double click lang. Okay, after double clicking, we need to click the total score. Ito, total score, i-click natin. After clicking the total score, we need to put comma. After putting comma, we need to click again the total score. Okay, so then after clicking the total score, we need to press F4. So F4, press natin F4. So F4 meaning maglalabas yung sign dito, no? Which is ito. So ano bang purpose ito? That is the exact value, no? Kung ano yung value ni anong rank na gusto. Example, ito ba yung rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. So ito yung value ni ano. Okay, so meaning siya na po yung maghahanap kung sino yung rank 1 at saka rank until rank 8. So okay, so next we need to put double dot ito. Then after putting, so we need to click again. So click lang natin tong total score. After clicking the total score, we need to click until the last or until the 8 candidates, no? So i-click lang natin. So no need ka mag-press kung kahit ano sa yung keyboard, you need to click dito sa pinakababa. So okay, so ganyan. So after natin maklik, so do not drag ha. So click lang, you need to click. After natin maklik, so makikita natin dito which is from G10, no? Okay, from G3, ito G3 to G10. So kasi G10, ito yung Excel natin. So now, we need to press the F4. Okay, so F4 meaning lumalabas na yung sign dito. The same with this signs, no? Sign, I mean. So we need to put comma. Okay, after comma, so nakalagay dito descending or ascending. So gusto man natin makita yung the highest is the rank 1 and the lowest score is the last rank, no? Or the rank 8. So we need to put descending, no? From 0 to 8, or that is the based on the highest score, no? So, descending. Click descending. Double click natin to. After double clicking, so we need to close parenthesis. Then, enter. Okay, so meaning ano, candidate number 1, which is, siya is second rank. No? So, i-drag lang natin or double click na lang natin. The same with total score. No? So, ito, double click lang natin. So, automatic na siya magra-rank. So, kung makikita ninyo, si candidate number 8, which is siya yung rank 1. Candidate number 1 is rank 2. Candidate number Candidate number 5, which is rank 3. Candidate number 2, which is rank 4. Candidate number 6, that is rank 5. Candidate number 3, that is rank 6. Candidate number 4, that is rank 7. And candidate number 7, which is rank 8. So, ito yung ranking, no? So may ano dito, may example, what if kung mag-tie score yung dalawa, no? So, may questions dito na, what if kung mag-tie score yung dalawang candidates? Okay, like for example, ito, nag-tie score sila. Lagay natin dito is, mag-add lang tayo para mag-tie score si 1 at saka si candidate number 5, no? So, add tayo ng isa. So, i-perfect natin to is 15. Okay, so ngayon, nag-tie score na si candidate number 5 at saka si candidate number 1. So, ang mangyayari dito sa rank natin is, ito na yung rank natin, no? So, mawala si rank number 3. Kasi si number 3, so rank 1, ito. So, that is the rank 1. Then, si rank 2, ito dalawa, kasi tie score sila, no? That is the rank 2. So, ngayon, ang yung nawawala is the rank 3. Bakit nag-direct sa into 4? Kasi yung yung ito total ni formula or the Excel is only the tables, no? Yung makikita natin sa ranking, which is hindi niya maibigay pag naka-double yung or naka-tie score yung dalawang candidates. Example, so ganito. So, dalawang rank 2, meaning nawala si 3. Kasi ito, rank 1, 2, 3. So, tie score man itong dalawa. So, automatic siya nag-put into 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so, ganyan siya. So, kung kayo ang tabulator ng mga pageant, you need to check na lang siguro. So, example, rank 1, rank 2, dalawang rank 2. So, di bali si rank 3 is rank 4. So, kayo na mag-adjust. Okay, so yun lang. I hope may natutunan kayo. Thank you and God bless.